Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me, my name is Divya and I make videos on skincare. In this video, I am going to be reviewing a skincare tool that is quickly becoming the newest must-have tool for some reason. So before starting this video, I would like to thank Nihal Crystals for sending me this beautiful gift. Thank you so much guys and thank you for your support. This is rose quartz and you can find them in many stones like amethyst, tourmaline and jade, and I personally like rose quartz the most. These stones have vibrational properties and energetic powers that are great for healing and it's great for skin. I prefer rose quartz not because it's pink in color, because it's linked to heart chakra and it's commonly known as love stone. For me, there is nothing better than pampering the skin. You must try rose quartz because it's a powerful stone to ease off all the tension and ward off all the negative emotions. And I have been trying out a lot of accessories made up of rose quartz and it's amazing. We are talking off topic, so let's come to the video. So it comes in a beautiful black box and it's the closer, and as you can see, here is the rose quartz. It's made up of real stone. It's a real stone, it's not the fake one. It's well polished and it has some cloudiness and imperfections inside it, and guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Glad that they have given such a sturdy box so that I can like carry it anywhere safely, and if I'm not using it, I can also store it very hygienically. So I really love this closer part and the quality of the box. It's very sturdy. Yes, you can use it on daily basis. Even dermatologists recommend the daily use for the best results. According to a study, using the face roller for 5 minutes on the face helps to increase the blood circulation, and 10 minutes is the maximum limit. And if it's hurting you, then guys, please stop. We are here to improve our skin condition. We don't want to damage it, right? There are so many face rollers present in the market and you have to choose one for yourself. So I would suggest you to focus on the properties of that particular face roller. Like I've told you the property of rose quartz, and if you find that you need some self-healing, self-love, and you need a love stone, then you must buy rose quartz. So find the properties of the healing stone. That's what's good for you, and accordingly you can choose one for yourself. So guys, there are two simplest and the easiest way to check your stone if it's real or fake. So first, what you have to do is to touch the stone. If it feels cool, then it's real. The second way is to examine the stone closely. If it has bubbles, that means it's fake, but if it has some cloudiness like this, I'll show you the close up, then it's real. Real stone must have some marbling and irregularities in it, and that's the beauty of Mother Earth. All come in different sizes, shape, and color. And for me, real things have some imperfection. We all are unique version of ourselves because of the abilities and the capacities we have. Me, beauty found in imperfections, and I am learning, growing, and becoming the better version of myself. The correct way of using a face roller is in upward direction. You should not use it like this in back or forth direction. It's a wrong way of using it. So guys, the first step before using this facial tool is to apply facial oil, serum or moisturizer. For sake of this video, I'm using it directly onto the face, and you have to use it in upward direction. Start at the neck and roll upwards. Using a face roller can stimulate blood flow to the face, which can make your skin look brighter and feel firmer. Roll from the jawline to the ear on both sides using gentle pressure. You can continue this motion all the way from the jaw to the cheekbone. Facial massage can improve your mood. It's weird, but it's true. Facial massage reduces the anxiety for some people, and using a roller on daily basis can contour your face naturally. There are many big claims about the face rollers that it helps to slim the face, but it's not true. The only way to slim down the face is to lose weight from any part of the body. The next step is to roll from the forehead upward the temples only in the upward direction. I forgot to tell you that it's a double-sided face roller and the smaller side is designed especially for the smaller area of the face like eyebrows, under eyes and nose. If you have under eye dark circles and puffiness, then this is for you guys. You can use it directly on its own, or for effective results you can store it in the refrigerator and use it. It really helps to reduce the puffiness as well as the under eye dark circles. For eyebrows, you can roll flat or your eyebrows horizontally, which may feel especially relieving. It's so relaxing. If you have headache, then go for it. It's a versatile product, guys, and you will never regret buying it. Before starting with this tool, you must apply some moisturizer or facial oil, and if you don't have lubrication on your face, it may like tug or pull the skin, which may actually contribute to the wrinkles. So guys, that's all for today's video, and the purchase link for this face roller is given in the description box. You can buy it around 500 rupees. I don't know because it's a gifted product, but I'm sure that it's under 500. So you can buy it and the link is given in the description box. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please rituals pure kar dena, like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much, and bye bye. See you in my next video.